Hello friends, welcome back. Uh, Kindly subscribe my channel and visit my Facebook group. I have been posting new methods of earning money. Today I am going to teach a different method, earning money by seeing ads. Many people have been asking how to earn money without investing money, and today I am going to show you how you can earn money so easily without any investment. You have to just go to your Telegram group, and I have given the link in the description. You can join the Telegram bot. Actually, this is a bot. It is not fake bot. This is made by me. I have made this bot for earning. You can join this bot. Actually, this is so easy. You can see. I'll show you how you can earn money. You press start. Welcome Zaz, because my name is Zaz and he is welcoming me. Some details. Methods with this star are more profitable methods. Okay, let's see. First of all, easy trading. What is saying? Receive 1000 virtual fund and learn how to trade. Actually, this is a link to an app where you can invest money and earn more than 100% profit. This is so easy. Actually, you can also practice here how you can earn money. If you want to earn bitcoins, there are 3 methods. This is most profitable method. First one. This is app. Be fast, be free. This is link. You can join it. Also, this needs a referral code. Every sign up need a referral code. This is a referral code, and you don't need any referrals to withdraw money. You just have to see ads and you can earn money. This is method 2. Method 2 is also, this is a bot, Bitcoin bot, click bot. You can join this and just play ads. This is Bitcoin. This is also a game, a type of game. Here you have to play a game and this is reward you bitcoins. This is back button, or this is main button. This is Yandex. Yandex, this is a $1 withdrawal, no investment, no referrals. You can also withdraw with PayPal, Skrill, Extra, money withdrawal method available. You have to just go there and do some tasks and they will reward you money, and you can withdraw with Skrill. This is available in Pakistan and this is available in other countries. Bitcoin Cash is also a currency, Bitcoin trading currency. You can use this, but I will not recommend this. I will recommend Bitcoins, this, and litecoins. Litecoins, there are also 2 methods. This is a method which is a game. You can use this, play this game, and this other method are Telegram bot. Actually, this is my most favorite earning method. You can go there and earn money by viewing ads. Now I will show you how you can earn money. Now we are in Litecoin bot. This is my balance. This main menu. This bot lets you earn litecoins by completing simple tasks. Visit sites, visit message bots, and join chats. We will only use visit sites. This is good method. Here I ask for website, and this is go to website. Open, and now it is. You can also go back, and actually you can perform other bots like this at the same time. Look. Bitcoin is paying me. Actually this is not every time you have to wait for this. Let me show you. I have closed this. Now this is another task. Go to website, open, and here I got another money. You can see this. And if you use this for more than 50 days, this will give you bonus and other. And thank you very much. Please subscribe my channel, and I will show you more methods. Thank you very much.